Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ONCI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this one before. I don't remember the exact date I did the last one, but that is where this red line annotation down here is coming from. And I bring that up because after today's monster move, this line here looks pretty goofy, as being a resistance at one point in time. So with that being said, I'm just going to go ahead and delete that line out of there. Sure, it still pertains to the chart, but it's not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have lines all over the place and risk causing clutter and confusion. So I want to try to just keep this as clean as possible. So let's get the chart updated here, given the big price movement today. We'll first start with levels of support. And this would be what I would call the ideal level of support right up here at 0.0165. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 0.0165, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can continue to hold above there, and I use the word continue very deliberately. If you look right here, you can see several occasions the bears try to press down through there, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a great job of holding strong. So again, if 0.0165, if the bulls can continue to hold strong there, that would definitely be a huge sign of power on the bulls' part, but not the end of the world if the price doesn't hold above it. Next level of support after that, down here at 0.014. So 0.014, next level of support. Taking a step back, though, looking at the big picture of things. So for those of you that care really about just, the grand scheme of it all, then the easiest way to measure the health of the overall current move is via that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is just going to keep on moving itself higher and higher and higher. And from a very simplistic approach, as long as the price stays above the purple line, as the line itself moves itself higher, then the bulls are in full control of the overall, chart. No questions about it. As far as levels of resistance, not even going to touch on those right now, just because at this point in time, and as I've said in the past, breaking levels of resistance, not really a huge priority. Top priority, like it's been, is just keep on building those higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built, the long-term chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So great way to start off the week. We'll see just how much the bulls can build upon it. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.